Okay, I'm going to clean the threads from the case. When I get the new studs, I can put them in. The guy who I bought these new studs said that it would be a good idea to tap them and clean them, and this is the tool, tapping tool M12 times 1.5. So this is the correct size to this job. So let's do that. Here's a limited space, so I'll be using this sort of a thing here. Oops. Let's do that. And there we go. Now it's bottom. Let's turn it back out. Oh, why I can't keep things in my hands. Okay, let's clean. I need to clean this case very carefully, and I'm planning on using Mr. Muscle to that purpose, the oven cleaner. I'm not sure if that's the right way to go, but I don't have any better solution for that purpose. At least when I did clean the heads with it, it worked very well. So maybe I'll use that. All right. Okay, they are now tapped and cleaned, and maybe if I clean that one too, so we can see if this one goes in. It seems to be okay. Yeah, that one is good. And that one is good too. So these studs, they are different in size or length. So the camshaft size is this shorter one, and the block size is longer one. So that's done. Let's take those out. I just checked these. So that's that. Next bit is the cleaning part. And yeah, this is pretty dirty. I think I'll take off the oil relief valves from here and spray some oven cleaner there too, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today. I'm not sure. Should I do or should I leave tomorrow? It's a shame that people don't have too much money. If I would have money, I would probably buy a new crankcase and build it from scratch. I'd probably build 1915 or something like that, a little bit bigger engine, but this is what I have here, and I'm on a budget, so I'll be using this one.